Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I am Richard. This is Richard's channel. And as I like to say, for every 1,000 subscribers I get, I do indeed purchase one of these bracelets from the company. 4Ocean. 4Ocean pulls a pound of trash out of the Big Blue for me, so if you could be so kind as to comment on this video, perhaps hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe share this with your friends, well, you'll be doing something for a better world, won't you? Now, what I have today is 3 frogs. Yes. After college, my sister didn't pay for a damn thing. We all have lived in this house since I was 10 years old, paid the rent through survivor's benefits. She's 2 years older than me. So, when I graduated from high school, my sister had finished 2 years of college and she came back to live here because she got kicked out of the dorm, though she finished her 2 years of college. Didn't pay for anything while she lived here. Didn't pay for anything after college until she got a job. And then shortly after getting a job, she went to Hawaii. Okay, I didn't go, but she did. And she came back with a little wooden frog as a gift for me. And she said, "Look, made the frog croak." Then she put the frog in her room and I never saw it again. I got this on Amazon, but yeah. Little percussion frogs here. They are not Hawaiian. They're made in Thailand. And interestingly enough, you point them at you. You can make different sounds, but mostly it's just the croak. I don't know what kind of music they use for these, but takes a little getting used to, but now, of course, these will eventually wear down and the sound of their croak will change. Wonderful conversation piece, though. A very beautiful instrument. I just have to say, the strange gift that my sister gave me that day was showing me that these exist. Oddly, it's still a gift. Not a great one maybe, but it is a gift. So, there you are. I'm Richard. Thank you very much for sharing this moment with me.